Hello, herbivores. I think it's about time we made some burgers, but not just any burger, veggie Big Macs. This is one of my favorite recipes of all time ever to make because it just tastes so much like the real thing. This recipe is a little, not more complicated, but it just requires an extra amount of ingredients. It's not hard to make. So let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so the main ingredients that really make a difference and stand out is sesame seed buns. I am missing some, but we're not gonna talk about that. Sesame seed buns, and the burgers I'm using that I feel make this just taste incredibly delicious and similar to the original are the Morningstar Grillers Original. I don't know if this is gonna be backwards or not, but. And you can go ahead and use any cheese that you want on this. I'm gonna be using Gouda because I like it. Gouda is the best cheese, so nobody else's opinion matters. Just kidding. Okay. Oh my gosh, my sweater keeps getting caught on my freaking cabinet. So I have half a white onion, very, very finely diced up. I had to make my own relish because I didn't have any relish. So I really just chopped, minced up some of these pickle chips, and then shredded lettuce. You wanna shred your iceberg lettuce. Always use more ingredients if you're making more, of course. So now we're gonna go ahead and get into making the mac sauce. So for Big Mac sauce, I'm just going to take my diced pickles and add all of those in. And then you're gonna need just like a big tablespoon of mayonnaise. I'm making a mess. And then a squirt of ketchup. I use about a tablespoon of ketchup. Really, I just make this sauce to taste. And then some white wine vinegar, just a couple dashes. You really don't need that much. Pepper, salt, and I never do proper measurements with any of this because it really just is to taste. Like if you need more mayonnaise, add more mayonnaise. If you need more ketchup, add more ketchup. Same for all the seasonings. A dash of paprika, and always onion and garlic powder. And then just mix that together. It should come together like that. All right, and now we're gonna move on to the part where I show you how I cook my burger patties. Any way you wanna cook them is fine. All right, so you're gonna want a medium-sized skillet and add some vegetable oil to it and put that on medium-high heat. Then turn on your wrong burner and then turn on your right burner. And then grab your spatula and you just want to cook them until they're browned on both sides and heated all the way through. Give them a flip, give them a toss. Now it's time to assemble our beautiful master creations. My sous chef, everybody. Okay, so when they are cooked, they will be beautifully browned, just like a normal burger would. So for the buns of the burger, you just separate one in half, and then I take the bottom patty of another one and smush it. This is going to be your middle piece. So we've got the top bun, the bottom bun, and then our smushed middle piece. And then just save the top for the other middle piece. You just smush it. I'm gonna sit that on the side. So first we're just gonna do a little bit of sauce, spread it around. You really don't need a lot for this, just enough to make your lettuce stick. And then some lettuce. And then one of your patties. Then your cheese. Middle bun. Little bit more sauce. You can go a little crazy this time if you want to. Depends on how much you like. More lettuce. I'm trying to do this as pretty as I can. And then you do another patty. Two pickle slices. Sprinkle of your diced onion. And top bun. And you are all set. So pretty. It smells so good. All right, guys, there you have our beautiful, yummy vegetarian Big Macs. Even if you don't eat veggie burgers, please give these a try. I swear it's so worth it. You won't even know the difference. You won't. And if you do, then just go get a regular Big Mac. You can also make this vegan by using vegan mayonnaise and vegan cheese, and you'll have a vegan Big Mac. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for tuning in to this episode. As always, if you do replicate this recipe, please take a picture of it and tag me in it. I'd love to see it. And yeah, thanks for joining me. I'll see you guys in the next video.